Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fawn. So for today's video, we are doing one of my go-to cut crease look. This look is like one of my favorites for the summer. Most of my brides, they love this makeup look. I will link down below all the products in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also like and comment. Keep watching. So I've already prepped and primed her face using the Smashbox oil and face primer off camera. And now I'm just using the M.A.C Studio Fix foundation in her shade NC50. Then I will be using the LA Girl concealer in shade Fawn. Right now I'm just using my beauty blender to blend it all in. Right now, I'm just using the Black Radiant Contour Stick to contour her face. I'm going back in with another beauty blender to blend it all in, because blending is very, very, very important when it comes to this step. Then I will be using my Airspun loose powder to set her whole face with it. So any places where I highlighted her face, that's including under her eyes, under her chin, her forehead. And now I'm just brushing her eyebrows and filling in her eyebrows using my M.A.C Brow Gel Cream in Deep Dark Brunette. Next, I will highlight her under eyebrows using the same LA Girl concealer in color Fawn. For the top of her eyebrows, I used the Studio Fix foundation NC50 since that matches her skin tone better. And now I'm using one of my local beauty supply brushes just to set her under eyes with the same Airspun loose powder before I go ahead and apply my eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, I'm starting with the Stalk'r by Fenty. It's a bronzer, just to give her that warm before I go ahead and apply any other eyeshadow on her eyelid. And now I will be going in with my favorite palette by Juvias, is the Masquerade palette for the whole entire eyeshadow. And now I'm just applying some mascara before I go ahead and apply the lashes. These lashes are from Lash Enthusiast. I would definitely link her down in my description box as well. You guys should check her out. She has some amazing lashes, guys. Y'all gonna love it. And I'm just cleaning her under eyes before I go ahead and apply some more eyeshadow. Now I'm just buffing all the setting powder off her face, and now I'm using again the Stalk'r Warmth Bronzer by Fenty, just to give her that glow and to intensify her contour again. And for the lips, guys, we used MAC lipstick film Noire. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was super helpful to y'all. And if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'm on Instagram, Beauty by Fawn, Facebook, Beauty by Fawn, also on Snapchat. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Mwah.